Father's Day is celebrated on the 19th of June this year. The day marks the exceptional and special bond that we share with our fathers, who is also a friend and mentor. The third Sunday of June is annually celebrated as Father's Day. Children on this day thank their father for the efforts and contribution they make towards the family. They buy gifts, heartwarming cards, organize outings, and dinner. They try to spend as much time as possible with their father. In 1966, President Lyndon B. Johnson issued the first presidential proclamation honoring fathers, designating the third Sunday in June as Father's Day. 6 years later, the day was made a permanent national holiday when President Richard Nixon signed it into law in 1972. The day is not a holiday in Pakistan. There are numerous events arranged for the celebration of Father Day. In schools and other educational institutions, speeches and other events are held. Al-Quran, the holy book of Islam, also guides its followers to do good with their mothers and fathers.